Today I'm going to show you how to change the brake lights on a 2012 Ford Focus. So you open the trunk, you come in here, you can pull up on this. This cover will come right off. There's these things here that you would unscrew. The one up here. And what you can do is you can pull off the entire tail assembly. Now, you could use this to replace the entire taillight assembly, or if you needed to, you can change out each of the light bulbs. So if I wanted to change out the light bulb, come here, twist counterclockwise, and I pull out the bulb. This bottom bulb is going to be your brake light. This top bulb is going to be turn signals. So if I want to take out the brake light, I can just go back and forth, gently pull this out, and you can see the bulb is there. You can inspect this. If you see anything that is burnt out here, that's why it wouldn't be working. So I don't see any dark spots, so it looks like this bulb is good at the moment. So we're going to just insert that back in. What you do is stick it back in like that, and you should hear it click like that when you're done. Now once you replace your bulbs, take the tail light assembly, and you'll match up these grooves with the grooves that are in here, and then we're going to have to just turn it clockwise. Just go clockwise, and it snaps into place. Same thing goes with this tail light. Push it in. Once it goes in, turn clockwise, and it's locked in place. Then all you have to do is place the tail light assembly back in place. There's effectively 3 pins you have to line up. One here, there's a pin back here. You're just going to screw these back together. Come up to the other one where we took it out. And again, these just need to be finger tight. Then you're going to get your cover. You're going to take that, slide that up, snap it back into place. And with that, that's how you replace your tail light